Windows 11 blue screen fix. Stop auto restart and read error codes. Is your computer crashing and restarts before you can read the error code? Today I'm going to show you how to stop guessing and to find out exactly what's causing the blue screen of death. The problem: your PC restarts before you can read the error code. Many companies leave auto restart on by default, and when the blue screen of death occurs, or better known as BSOD, the system crashes and reboots instantly. Without the error code, technicians are forced to guess what the cause is. Maybe it's the RAM, maybe it's a bad driver. This leads to a lot of wasted time and unnecessary part replacements, like swapping out perfectly good motherboards. What is BSOD and what causes it? BSOD stands for the blue screen of death, and it's a critical system error where Windows cannot recover safely. And here are 5 of the most common causes: bad or incompatible drivers, hardware issues, corrupted Windows system files, overheating components, BIOS or firmware problems. So step 1, you want to tap Windows plus R key together on your keyboard, and then that's going to open up this command prompt. And in that command prompt, you're going to type sysdm.cpl, press enter. The next step is this is going to bring up the system properties, which is this screen right here, and you want to click on the advanced tab, and then you're going to click on settings, recovery settings, and then that's going to bring up this startup settings right here, and then look for system failure and uncheck it. It's going to be this line right here. Click OK, and now when the computer crashes, the blue screen is going to stay, and you're going to be able to read the stop code. The stop code is going to look something like this, and that's where you'll see your critical error, and you can do further troubleshooting from there. Next, you want to open up Event Viewer. So you're going to tap Windows plus X together, and that's going to open up Event Viewer. This is a built-in Windows tool that logs every system event, including exec drivers or hardware failure that triggered the blue screen of death. So in the Event Viewer, you're going to see a screen like this. This is the overview and summary of the Event Viewer, and it gives you a quick glance at the critical error events on your system. And to find the exact crash of the crash that caused the blue screen of death, you need to navigate to the specific system logs. So on the left side, you're going to expand Windows logs. That's going to be here, and then you're going to click on System. So it's going to look something like this. It's going to be Windows, and then you're going to click on System, and then over here you're going to click on the filter box, and then you're going to click on critical errors and critical, and you can also click on errors, but I'm just for this test, we're just going to click on critical, and then this is going to show you the exact time and date of the crash, or when the error occurred. And so in the example, we found that there was a Fresco Logic driver crash, and this is the root cause. My computer didn't have the blue screen of death, but this is an example of how to find the error, and so you will know exactly how to fix it. So from here, you're going to open up Device Manager. You're going to type Windows plus X at the same time and click on Device Manager, and that's going to bring up the this window right here, Device Manager window. And so since we know the exact cause, we can go directly to the category. Another thing to look out for is that there's going to be like a little yellow warning on the drivers that's having errors, or that's the critical error. After this, you're going to right click on the driver that's causing the crash, and then you can either from here update the driver, disable it, and reinstall it. But I would recommend going to the manufacturer's website and downloading the updated drivers from there. So you just did tier 2 IT troubleshooting. You disabled an auto restart. You read the stop code, opened event viewer, filtered system logs, and found the root cause and updated a bad driver. If you're studying for CompTIA A+ or working on the help desk, this is exactly the workflow you need to save time and avoid guessing and replacing unnecessary parts. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and leave a comment if you ever experienced the blue screen of death.